Ready to see a full renovation? Follow me, let's check it out. This home is conveniently located right on the border of Walton Hills, and it's close to golf courses as well as metro parks and freeway access. And who doesn't love a great space? This room is fantastic for any type of furniture that you want. I'm actually gonna virtually stage this room so it can show you exactly what can be placed and where you can fit your furniture. I love the original hardwood floors throughout, and any bedroom that we have here, you could fit a queen size bed in. In fact, maybe even a bigger bed in the master. So down in the basement continues the luxury vinyl flooring, as well as into the bathroom, upstairs in the kitchen, and in the upper bathroom. This was such a fun renovation project. Down here in the basement is partially finished. You actually have a wet bar down here as well for entertainment and a full bathroom. So if you're looking for a turnkey home to either live in or use as your next investment property, this is great. You also have a sliding glass door that leads right out to your back door. So if you're looking for your next home, reach out to us today.